A very good morning, students. Students, as you know, clothes are a very important part of our life, as we need food to eat, houses to live in, and clothes to protect our body from diseases, from insects, and keep ourselves protected. And also we look nice, smart if we wear clothes, isn't it, children? Now, in olden days, people did not know how to make clothes. Okay? In primitive age, I am talking about very in olden times, people had no idea how to grow cotton or take out fur from animals and weave clothes. So, they covered their body with big leaves of the trees or the bark, the skin of the trunk of the tree, okay, or the animals. They were hunters, they killed animals and they hunted, and that skin they used to take out and cover their body, because they used to live in caves and in open areas. They would feel cold, hot, in different season, in rainy season. To protect their body from different diseases, from animals, from different weather conditions, they wore bark of the trees and the big leaves of the trees and the skin of the animals. And in this way, they covered their body. This is the olden time I am talking about. Just have a look. So you can see men wearing different type of clothing. They did not know proper way. Later on they started covering their whole body. No shoes were there, no socks were there. They walk barefooted. Okay. Later on they cover their feet with the hide means the skin of the animals. Later, students, people became farmers or agriculturists. They started growing crops for their food. Then they learned that how to grow fibers like cotton, jute, and they started growing those crops and then extracting them and then weaving those cotton and this fiber into this thread and then stitching them. That came much later. Then they started making clothes and then they started stitching them and they made clothes. So I'll show you. These are the different types of clothes. So you can see different countries, they cover their head according to the weather condition. If it is very cold, they will cover their head. So see the difference. Just observe the difference. This was in the beginning, and then things changed and people started weaving clothes, stitching them, and now we are making clothes from different things, isn't it? Not only the natural fiber, even the synthetic fibers. So as I'll just show you, this was Gandhiji's charkha, where he asked the countrymen to weave clothes with charkha instead of using British goods, British clothes which were made out of machine. So this clothes are made in machines, but these are handmade. That khadi you say, handmade clothes. You can see the thread, and with moving the wheel, they used to weave the thread. Here is thread coming out. If you move this, the thread will come, and with that thread they make the piece of cloth, and with that they may then stitch it into different type of dresses. So this is how he made khadi clothes, the clothes, handmade clothes which are used by the people at that time. Now also you have khadi clothes. So children, you can see that from there we turn to machines and we power looms, and then now we are making fiber from other synthetic materials. Okay, so this is the change from primitive age to the modern age of clothes, the history of clothing. Okay, thank you children.